Car 46, that's Luke Burr from Rock Falls. Car 98, that's Bobby Bertolozzi. No, car 90. Chance Hubbard, rider. Gavin Hooper from Rock Falls. 11S, this is Shaylee Smith from Sterling. We're looking for Bobby Bertolozzi, car 98. We heard one back here spitting and sputtering. Bob, if that was you and you're not going to make it, please let us know. All righty. Thank you.
Hey, see you.
See you in a couple weeks, though. All righty. Sometimes they run great at home. You come here, unload them, they just don't want to play. Keep an eye out on the white and blue car. That's your only female driver this time. She was third in Peoria. The 12 down here on the other end left her high and dry. That's her boyfriend. What a guy. All righty, Flagman, can we see you? This is the Weld Compact. Can I help you guys help over there? Let's count them down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. We got a little raw fuel.
Raw fuel.
Kyle Gardner, fire department now. Not only bumper boy, fire department. All right, in the 01, that's one fire. Let's go green. I think it's a little more than stock. What do you think about the action in this class? These guys are all over the place. All righty, we'll get our flagman back in position. 3, 2, 1, let's go green, guys. the last one moving. Uh-oh.
There's the money shot. Yep.
Car 90, you'll go out in third.
There you go.
Drew Daniels, what do you think, buddy? You got second locked up. Right now, it's just you two, Drew.